Welcome to the IT Zone. Yes, it's the IT room. And this is Computer Station 4, which Class 6B reported broken this morning. You've spent hours trying to repair it. So is it fixed now? Well, no. And as a result, it looks like you've encountered all the common risks of using DSE badly. Our crackpot quiz presenter has a bad back, sore eyes, and elevated stress levels. Oh dear. Inadequately set up workstations are often connected to musculoskeletal issues like back pain or upper limb disorders. Musculoskeletal issues can also be caused by sitting at workstations for too long. These problems range from sore muscles to more serious conditions, such as carpal tunnel syndrome. Upper limb disorders specifically affect areas such as the neck, shoulders, arms, wrists, and hands. People can also get visual fatigue from looking at a screen for too long. This might cause blurred vision or headaches, or encourage someone to use an awkward posture that causes physical pain. Stress can contribute to unsafe DSE practices too. For example, workers may take fewer breaks to cope with work stresses, such as short deadlines. This leads to more time spent sitting at the workstation and looking at the screen.